Not a lot to show this week. A lot of the work was the under dash wiring for the gauge panel. Also, the console was removed because there was a non-functional switch, so that's being repaired. Here's the TransAm rally gauge panel, OEM, and the Dakota digital gauges going in. Here's one of the modules that drive the Dakota digital displays. All kinds of wiring. Here's the quick disconnect for the console wiring. Makes it easier to work on the console. Plug in, plug out, pull out. Final installation of the third brake light with flasher. Wiring for the rear lights, side marker and tail lights. Wiring will be covered up by the rear deck material when that's installed next week at the upholstery shop. The ignition key is going into the cigarette lighter so that no new holes have to be drilled. Installed switch for door light. The other side door switch. Nice Lincoln Continental convertible.